welcome back to another video of Fateful Customs. If you're new here, stick around to see what's going on. And if you've been watching, stay tuned. The three components for a car to start is air, fuel, and spark. So we're going to make sure it has air, then fuel, and then spark. If all three of them are right, it should turn on. So let's get to it. The car is getting boosted by my truck right now, and we're going to test it to see if it runs. Before that, I'm going to check that there's oil, and we're going to go. It didn't start, so maybe because it's been sitting, so let's give it some starting fluid and let's see what's happening. I have a can of starting fluid here, so I'm gonna open the throttle. Okay, there we go. It's open all the way in, so I'm gonna just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hopefully it starts. Hopefully I don't blow up. It didn't start. So now we're gonna check if it has spark. And then we're gonna check if it has fuel. I'm gonna check if it has spark first because when I check for fuel there, I don't want it to start and then boom, we blow up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out a spark plug and I'm gonna put it to the side and I'm gonna check, have the camera zoom in to see if they're sparking. Let's get it. I'll take out this one off. So right there's the spark, and I'm gonna test it right now to see if it starts or not. Okay, so the car has no spark. Now we have to check if the ignition is turning. Not the ignition, if the igniter is sparking. Or maybe it's the cables. So this does not spark. Now we gotta work our way up to see if it's this or if it's this. So I want to do that right now, but I also want to clean up the entire engine bay first. Hi guys, so the car didn't have spark. We didn't even check to see if it had fuel or compression. So my first indication would be to find the spark, and then once there's spark, turn it on again. So in the next clips, I will show you what I did before I started to make sure it was running. So I manually cranked the car to make sure it was spinning freely, and then I took out the valve cover to make sure everything was moving. But now we're gonna focus on detailing the engine bay right now. Alright. Try it. Try what?
These nuts. Got him!
Okay. That's it. That's it. Dale. Hello and welcome back. If you made it this far, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and if you're interested in more content, please follow and subscribe. If you're interested in seeing more content like this, please check out the link below. It is my website. Please help out and support so you can see more like this.